Hi, today let's make simple and easy egg pepper fry. This is very quick, easy to make. It will be done in 10 minutes. If you're craving for something spicy, this is the dish I would suggest. In a kadai, add oil. Once the oil has been heated up, add in some chopped onion, ginger, garlic, slit green chilies, curry leaves, and tomato. Give all these veggies a good mix till the raw smell goes. Then quickly add in some basic spices, then which is like turmeric powder. Add in some pepper powder because it's called as egg pepper fry. Then goes in some cumin powder and then some coriander powder. And again, give all these ingredients a good mix to see to that it's really very well coated with the veggies. Now I'm adding in salt to taste, and again give it a quick stir, and then I'm adding some basic sauces like soy sauce, and then I'm adding in some tomato ketchup, and again give it a good stir. Once then I would suggest adding a little bit of water just to see to that the curry or the masala doesn't stick to your pan. Next, I've taken boiled egg and just putting small slits on the egg, and then I'm placing in the egg inside the gravy, and then just see this is how you need to place the egg. And then slowly coat the egg or cover the egg with this flavorful masala and just leave it for 2 minutes, and then finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and your tasty egg pepper fry is ready to serve. You can just have it like that. You can have it with your naan, rice, chapati, or you can just have make your dal, rice, and this egg pepper fry. You're sorted. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy.